Welcome back, traders. This is Sandra with Trading Made Simple.
Hi, Sandra.
Hi, Aaron. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. As they say in Mickey Mouse World, magical.
Say that again. What was magical?
I said in Mickey Mouse World, they say magical.
Oh, yes. Oh, excellent. I'm so glad you're having a great day.
So this is my first Zoom call.
Okay,
So I am still new to everything. I did see a majority of the videos. I
great.
do have ThinkorSwim already with Charles Schwab. So I just need to set up the whole trading platform and all that. Does that happen on, I have a 10 o'clock with Ben Russell. So does he go through the setup itself or how does that happen?
No, no. So he's just going to answer any basic questions that you have and talk to you about our VIP service. But everything that you bought in the class, the course, that's in the class. So you're going to get to a video that's going to be called chart setup, and it's going to show you how to set up your chart. You're going to get over to a video that says watch list setup, and it's going to show you how to put on your watch list. So everything is contained in the course. And Ben is in our sales department. He's a sales advisor. So he's probably going to answer some basic questions that you have and then tell you about our VIP service. Did you sign up for a VIP service?
I think so, yeah, because it shows in the email I did. And so it shows in the email the VIP one. But I'm
Sounds like you're
sure
a little
initially,
confused, right, Aaron? It sounds
I
like
am
you're
a little
just a
confused
little
because
bit confused because,
it's the
right?
first day I've
You don't,
done
because it
trading,
sounds
but
like you don't
I've
know what
not
you
done.
purchased. If you bought a course for a couple $100, then you purchased Autopilot Passive Trading System. That's all you purchased.
And there was another one too. There was another charge for something, so I'm sure that must be it.
Oh, talk
So,
to Ben
but
about
my
it.
point,
He'll get you all straightened out.
yeah, but my point, the question is that obviously I'm new to this. I've never done options. I've only done straight trading and all that stuff. So I'm definitely eager to learn, but I I might need a little hand holding initially. So,
That's our VIP
uh,
service. That costs more. So you could talk to Ben
yeah.
about that, but we don't talk about that here.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
All right.
Thank you.
In a real nutshell, guys, the reason why I don't talk about sales here is because this is your weekly, right? This is your weekly meeting for you guys to ask questions. You have a hurdle, you need help. Here, I'm here. So, Aaron, if you had a question about a chart, you had a question about the system, you were doing your automations and you had an issue, here I am to answer your question. Hey traders, a quick heads up. If you like what you're seeing here, wait till you see tomorrow's video. It's packed with automation insights and real examples. Hit subscribe now so you don't miss it. And as always, the link to our tools and team is in the description below. So sales is another thing. Do we have a VIP service? Absolutely. I have a community in our Discord community, we offer specialized tools like option flow and a weekly watch list that's prepared by an analyst team. That's what we use with our VIP clients. And we have coaching one-on-one. And even if you're not good with tech, our coaches are. So we could get you, which is, by the way, just real quickly, because I am really proud of this. In trading, when you hire a coach, they're going to teach you basically what you are there to learn. And it's typically about trading. But if you wanted to learn trading, but you're not good with your platform, or you're really like not good with technology, maybe getting on a Zoom call is difficult. Discord, what's Discord? I'm going to have a problem trying to sign on to Discord. Those types of things, right? Typically are not handled by any type of trading coaching service, but we actually do. And so that is what's really cool, because there's a lot of smart people out there that can trade and do really well, but they just don't have the building blocks of the tech issues to get into Discord, to figure out Zoom, to share your screen on Zoom so that you can have a proper coaching session with one of our coaches. And so what we do is created a coaching plan, and it's basically coaching on demand. That means weekend appointments, evening appointments. This is unheard of in our industry, guys, unheard of. And so this is where someone could come. In fact, we had, I don't know if she's on, Lee Bowles, are you on? One of our VIP clients. Lee could not operate her email. This is a great example, guys. Lee could not understand or operate email. She was new to it. Just was never in the industry of doing email. And she was probably a little older than myself. And so I was teaching her about email. And believe it or not, within 2 months, she not only figured out email, but met with our coaches. And she was on here just a couple weeks ago. You could probably look back in our video series to find it. I think it was about 3 weeks ago. She came on and said, hey, I didn't even know how to operate my email, and now I'm trading options. I'm automating my option trades. And that's what I mean about just because you don't know the technology right now doesn't mean that is going to hold you back, as well as your knowledge and experience about capturing this skill set. A lot of us, we really understand that there are so many smart people out there that just probably don't know technology. So our coaches are going to walk you through that.